Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 7.2 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we begin, there is one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. Now they can provide it with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box, but if you don't feel like bothering with that, you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, the tray is located on the left side of the device, so right over here as you can see, and all you need to do is just push it in. Now you need a fairly long one, as you can see this one goes all the way, and from there, once it pops out, just pull it out right there, and you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Place each one accordingly so it lays flush on the tray, as you will see these are, and then while holding them securely so they don't actually fall out, just put it back into the device, and I should have a pin. There's the SD card already, and pen should be for the SIM, the SIM. There we go. So SIM is working, SD card is working as well, and yeah, that is how you would insert both of them into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.